Hi. I haven't posted in like a week and I don't really have anything to do today. Actually, that's a lie. I'm literally 3 hours late to something as I speak. So I'm just gonna come on here, do a nice little cooking video on this beautiful Saturday afternoon. So for the occasion, I figured that there would be nothing better to cook than my favorite depression meal. And no, I don't mean meals from the Great Depression, which upon Googling depression meal, I realized that's like a trend. I'm talking about my favorite thing to make when even existing just is too much. So I'm gonna get into this like really quickly. I already have my water boiling on the stove because, again, I'm 3 hours late to something and I'm filming a video right now. This is why I cannot maintain friendships. Like I said, I'm making a mac and cheese. My favorite meal, literally ever, but especially my favorite depression meal is mac and cheese. I love mac and cheese. It is my absolute ride or die. It's the best culinary invention literally of all time. I think this is overexposed. Oh, you know what? You get what you get. But I have a dairy allergy. I think I've talked about that before on this channel. So my version of mac and cheese is a little bit different. Oh, also, by the way, this isn't my recipe. That I just follow this recipe like every time. I'll leave it linked down below. I don't know if you want to try it, go try it. This basically just involves like a potato, carrots, and like some other miscellaneous stuff. And you just kind of like blend it up and it turns into a cheese sauce and you just put it on noodles. Super easy, super simple. That's why it's my favorite depression meal as well. I'm just gonna start dicing this potato and this carrot and we'll throw it in the water that's already been boiling back there for like 10 minutes. And so one of the reasons why I'm doing this video right now is because I want to explain just some stuff from the last week. In short, I guess I would say that I had kind of like a mini breakdown. You know, not like a cute quirky one where like you wake up and eat ice cream at 10 a.m. It was just like a bout of like questioning like myself and like where I'm going, like what I'm doing and everything like that, and also lots of self-sabotage. So I didn't post this whole week because, well, I was on the verge of like deleting my entire channel several times, which I just decided to, instead of deleting my entire channel, just uninstall like the YouTube Studio app and everything like that, taking a break for a little bit. Oh! Almost cut myself. I guess part of the reason why I was so like, I've been kind of in a rut for a while. You can see it on my social blade. Why do I have a social blade in the first place? You know, for a while, my channel I definitely felt like was growing. It's kind of like, whoop. And then, I don't know, out of nowhere, I didn't do anything. I didn't like start doing anything different or anything like that, or at least I don't think that I did. It just kind of went like the opposite direction. That's like so first world. Oh, I also almost dropped out of school, fun fact. Before my enrollment, I saw that like one of my classes filled up that I like absolutely need, and I was like, oh my god. And I was like, you know what, this whole enrollment process has been a mess. I'm just not even gonna go. And I was on the page literally about to tell them to like withdraw me, but then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go to sleep. And then I ended up not dropping out of school, and I got the class that I needed. So it's like, so that's where I've been for a week. All is well here at Camp Zaya now. Yeah, so our vegetables are chopped. I'm just gonna throw these in the water and then, oh, I'm not like following the recipe exactly because I'm making this for me and me only. I don't know, I'm sure it'll all taste the same. Also gonna get some noodles cooking and then text my family and say that I'm running late. I'm just gonna let all of that boil for like 20 minutes. I think that's all I had to say for my intro. So yeah, I'm gonna edit this clip. I'm back. I realized it would be a lot like more simple and kind of straightforward if I just put all of my other ingredients in the blender and then just like throw the potatoes in. So okay, so we need it just said any kind of milk. I use coconut milk for like the cream, but you can use whatever one, I guess. I don't know. It says a half cup, but I'm not making the right amount, so I just kind of like eyeball it, and if it needs it more, then I add more. Then I just like dump nutritional yeast in there for like the cheese flavor. It seems like a good amount. We'll add more if we need to. A little bit of garlic salt, a little bit of salt, lemon juice. I literally don't know what lemon juice does. I just gonna throw it in here because it calls for it. And I'm probably going to add a little bit more of this because like, why not? That's all for now. Our ingredients are in here. We just need the potatoes and the carrots. Hi, I'm back. I learned a couple things during the edit. One, I left my lens on manual focus. That's my bad. Some parts of the video were a lot out of focus. That's my bad. Also, there was a little bit of chaotic energy. I tried to tone it down. Vegetables are done, boiled, fork tender, at least I think. I'm just gonna throw them in the blender now. I might have added a little bit too much coconut milk, but there's nothing wrong with that. Sorry you can't see this. Where's the lid, where's the lid, where's the lid? Here it is. That's a good batch. It's a good batch, everyone. I need a little more salt. And just like that, we have our cheese sauce. We have our noodles here, cooked and drained. And I just kind of dump it in here, mix it up. I definitely will be muting that because I know the jokes about story mac and cheese. Boom, there's our nice depression meal mac and cheese. Then we get a bowl Okay, look at that. Boom. Nice, simple, easy depression meal mac and cheese. I mean, if that's not the quality content you came here for, I don't know what it is. Crazy good. Oh my god. Surprisingly, if you doubt it, just try it. It's incredible. It's so good. It tastes like a boxed mac and cheese. Only takes like 15 times longer. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope I was able to explain a little bit about where I'm at and back. And I made a nice little good tasty mac and cheese while I was at it. So all is well. Thanks so much for watching or being here. I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.